I officially made it, guys. Look at my pawis. Hey guys, this is Jay and welcome to Vlogcetera. And for this video guys, welcome to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia.
Dito pala maraming ano pa. Pero kanina wala pa masyado.
This is actually our official first day here kasi we arrived in Kuala Lumpur like super early in the morning, 3 AM. And we are now here in Batu Caves and attempting to hike this 200 plus steps. So let's go. So this is it guys, embarking on to this journey up there. Nandito pa lang ako sa first 4 steps pero parang ayoko na agad. Ang liliit kasi ng steps pero a lot of people are here actually doing their penitential walk. Nasa pang-5 pa lang kaming platform guys. Pero nakakahingal na. Ayan no, doon pala kami galing. Maliliit kasi yung steps. And can you believe it guys? We're almost there. Ayan no. Parang 3 more platforms and we are this high already. Kapantay na natin yung balikat ng statue. Ang dami ding unggoy. And they really are trying to steal things na dala mo, kaya be careful with everything that you are holding, including your phone like this. I officially made it guys. Look at my pawis. Yeah. This is the entrance to the cave and it's cooler here. Look. Yeah. So I believe kung ano yung extra challenge dun sa stairs na inakit natin is yung maliliit niyang steps kaya ang hirap umakyat, especially if you have no balance like me. But we're here. Ito yung entrance of the cave. So pagkakit dito, you would be welcomed by a cooler breeze coming from the inside of the cave. And meron din ditong mini store selling some drinks and stuff. Look at that. Here's the main temple, guys. That's the entrance to the main temple. They call it Sri Velayuthar Temple. I'm not sure if I pronounce it correctly, but let me show you. So yun pala yung tagline niya. Batu Caves, beauty of colors. That's why they're maintaining yung colorful stairs, and also this. Isa mga facade ng temples nila. And we are now here at the top most of this attraction. Look at this view, guys. The whole. And this is called, I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing it correctly, Sri Valley Devanai Murugan. At ito yung parang pinaka-top of, I'm not sure if this is still part of the temple, pero something's going on just right down there. A ceremony in the temple. If you can hear that. And that is it. Dahil nandito tayo sa pinaka-tuktok, pwede na tayong bumaba. Which is just a good timing because it's no more sunny. Kaya pwede na din tayo mag-picture dun pagbaba. And in this area, wala na masyadong maraming unggoy. Actually, wala nang unggoy. Puro ibon and manok. This is part of the temple with entrance, guys. Pero hindi natin papasukin because we have other temples to visit. Pero ito siya. At ayun yung last staircase na pinanggalingan natin, pinakataas. And we're finally back here, guys. Yeah, nakababa na ulit tayo. This is actually the last platform and last few steps. We are back on the floor. That was an experience indeed. Tiga, madami na namang unggoy and kalapati. So we're now here guys in KLCC Park waiting for the fountain show after our quick coffee fix inside Soraya Mall here. Now, I'll show you kung gaano karaming tao dito sa park. Pumosa. This is the Twin Tower guys kapag ka night. It's lighted. We're back inside the mall guys and we're now here at their food court trying to find something for dinner. So for dinner guys, we are gonna get stuffed. Yeah. Stuffed. It's burritos and tacos. Yeah. Unfortunately though, yung mga signature drinks nila are not available tonight. So we're just gonna get yung mga burritos namin and then we'll just find other drinks. Kasi this is a food court naman as you can see. Yeah, madaming bibilhan ng other drinks. It's here ready, we're just paying. And what's a good thing about here, they are offering 10% discount if you are going to order like 4 of their meals like this one. Yeah. This is how huge it is, one burrito. And guys, we just finished off our dinner and we are now currently here right outside the Twin Tower. Yeah, katabi niya lang yung Soraya na mall right there, and doon namin naabangan yung Grab namin going back home, and I think that's it. Yes, this is where I'm going to end my video. So if you guys liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the notification bell so that you will get updated with more of my video only here in Vlogcetera.
Cracky.